Hello ladies and gentlemen, Martin here today, and she is finally on tires, actual tires. She's not sitting on bricks anymore, so that is a start. But today we are literally just messing with a fan. I have an aftermarket fan, just one that I want to come on right when the vehicle turns on. So, and my other fan will come on at operating temperature, like pretty much it usually does. But I just want that one fan to come on immediately, help it stay cool and everything. So that's all we're doing today. We're literally messing with only one fan. So that's what we're doing. So basically all I got to do is find 12 volt source pretty much from a key on position. So, which I've already found it. So let's start wiring this thing in. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, that's going to be it for today. I just felt like doing something simple today on this video because this vehicle's, it's tired sometimes redoing the whole car. But I just wanted to have a little bit of a chill, easy day today, so I might as well do the fan, what I was going to do anyway. So I'd like to thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you guys next time.